Good morning, guys. Happy first day of fall. I'm getting ready to go to the gym and I'm actually a little late.
Such a candidate, but if we don't change our mentality and start to think about things a little differently and the importance of getting involved, you know, I don't think we'll ever see the kind of change that we all would like to see.
All right, y'all, so I'm all cleaned up and I am ready for the day. I have a few errands that I need to run. I have a pedicure appointment at 9:45. I go to a different spot to get my pedicure done, so I like to go early in the morning. With most of the things that I'm doing, like especially with everything going on, I like to try to be the first one in there. So my appointment for my pedicure is at 9:45, and then you guys know that I am still looking for the perfect fall drink. I did go to Dunkin' Donuts and try their pumpkin spice latte, and it was just okay. It's not a big deal to me. That's something that you can easily make at home. I want to find something that's just like so delicious, like so. A few of you guys had sent me the exact same drink. I think it's a Starbucks pumpkin, it might be like a Starbucks pumpkin spice that they sell at Target. So I'm gonna go pick that up and then maybe get a few things out of there. I'm going to the mall also because I want to find just a few cute little sweaters and stuff like that. My style is really simple. I have enough jeans and pants and stuff like that, so I just need like some sweaters. Right now it's still like 70, 75 outside. It's not cold at all, but I still want to go, you know, grab some stuff. So I might go to Forever 21, H&M, and Express. So I'll try to vlog in there if I can, and then of course I'll show you guys what I pick up once I get back home. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm back home and I am holding my camera, but I want to show you guys a few things that I picked up. I did go to HOMEGOODS, Target, Forever 21, and Rue 21. So let me show you guys what I picked up. This first thing, I have it right here because I just sent my little sister a picture, but look at this purse. Is this not the cutest little bag? I got this from Forever 21. It was, how much was this? $23. And it came with like a gold chain strap too, but I took that off. So this is my new baby. I love this. I think it is just so adorable. It came in black too, but I thought this one was really pretty. And this is my color, so I love this. All right, I have y'all just like sitting in a chair. And then I went to HOMEGOODS and I picked up this really cute, it's like the teddy material. Can y'all see it? This really cute pillow. I thought this was so nice and it's so fluffy, y'all. And y'all, I've told y'all like my obsession with this teddy bear material. I don't really know like the proper name for it, but I like to call it a teddy bear material. You can do the chop in it. It's a really nice pillow, y'all. So I got this from HOMEGOODS. I have two of them. The other one, I think it fell out of the bag, so it's in the car. But I just love this. So fluffy and soft, and I love this pillow. When I saw it at HOMEGOODS today, I'm like, oh, I have to get that. It's so nice. So yeah, grab this. And then I picked up a few things from Forever 21, just like these green joggers right here. I thought that these would be really cute with like some y'all know those black boots that I have. They have like the strings. I can't explain them, but so I plan on wearing that with, I got this little green shirt, and it just has the little rouging on the sides, so I thought this was nice. I would try some of this stuff on, but I really don't feel like it, y'all. I'm being lazy. And then I bought some tan ones. I think you could just never have enough joggers because they're so comfortable, and you can dress them up or down, so that's what I love. You can wear with tennis shoes or heels, depending on, you know, what vibe you're going for. But I just bought the tan ones in a size large, so these are a little bit baggy, just a little bit. Okay, so here's the little matching top, and this is just like a half top, and they came together, and this little outfit was $30. So it's just like a half taupe colored top with the joggers. And then these shirts right here, I bought 2 of these shirts. They were only $12.99. I know you guys can't see it. I know I should be trying this stuff on for y'all, but I don't feel like it. Y'all will see it, trust me. But this is just like a wrap shirt. If you guys can see that. Just wraps around, you know. So grab 2 of those. I have this one in gray and in black. I started not to show y'all this stuff because I know I didn't feel like trying it on. But I'm going to show y'all anyway because I love y'all, period. And then I picked up these boyfriend jeans, which I don't know how these are gonna fit because I have a real hard time finding a nice pair of boyfriend jeans that actually fit baggy and fit the right way because I have big legs. These have a lot of stretch in them, but they probably won't fit the way that I want them to fit because I do want them to fit loose on my legs, but we'll see. And I think that's it, yeah. So that's all that I picked up from Forever 21. And then I stopped at Rue 21 because they always have like really cute little cardigans. So I buy these like every year or every other year because they last for like a year or so. So I just bought a tan one, and these are just cute. Like if you just throw on this, you have on like a little cute little cami with your, you can wear some tights or something with your cute little Ugg boots and just throw on your sweater, and it look nice and comfortable for a little store run or whatever. I love having these, and I like to get them oversized. So this is an extra large. Well, it says large, extra large, but I bought this in a taupe color, black, and white. So yeah, I bought all 3 of these. Just something nice and cozy. So now let's go up front so I can show you what I grabbed from Target. Turn this light on. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was this Sonia Keshik stippling brush. So I got that. Stuff is a little wet because I just sanitized everything. And then I bought this NYX brown pencil. I bought some of the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the color Walnut. And then I bought another one, and then this one is in the color Cappuccino. I wanted to try this lipstick. I think I have this one already, I'm not too sure, but this one is in the color Push Up. I think I have this one, so I might have to take this one back, but I have to double check. But the color is really pretty with some gloss. Looks really cute. And then I picked up this NYX Bear With Me. It's a hydrating jelly primer. I've never tried this before, so I wanted to give this one a try. Picked up my favorite sugar scrub. It's the best one, y'all. This one smells so good. Picked up some lemons, oranges. I picked up a spear ice tray. This is how I get all of my cute little ice cubes and stuff everybody always asks about. I use the silicone ice trays. So this is just the one that looks like this. Grab that. And then I grabbed some of the limited edition Starbucks drinks. So this is the peppermint mocha. I've never tried this one before, so I'm excited to try this one. And then somebody sent this one to me on Instagram. I think I tried this one last year. I'm not too sure, but I went ahead and picked it up because one of you guys sent it to me on Instagram. All right, y'all, I changed my shirt. So we're gonna go ahead and try this peppermint mocha first. This is the one that I am really excited about. Let me see. What glass do I want to use? Hey, you want to try some with me? Say hey to the vlog.
What's up, y'all?
I didn't ever get to see. Just stick your head over here.
I already took my pre-workout. Yeah.
Just stick your head over here and say hey.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Alright. So we're going to try the peppermint mocha first. It does smell like peppermint. Just okay. It's not sweet enough. But I still drink it, but I have to doctor it up a little bit. All right, and then we're gonna try the pumpkin spice latte, and this is the same flavor that I tried at Dunkin' Donuts. I tried their pumpkin spice latte and it was just okay for me. It wasn't like all that. So maybe I'm just not a pumpkin spice type of gal. I want to be though, but I just can't find the perfect latte. Y'all help me out. Okay, let's try this one. Ooh. Ooh. No. So that is it for today's video. I'll try to link all of the things that I found today at Forever 21 in the description box below. Most of the stuff I might have on my Like to Know It app, so you will have to actually download the Like to Know It app. It's free, and then everything that I post, when I start posting my outfits and stuff like that, everything will be under that one picture or that one post. So try to download that app. Like I said, it is free, and you guys can get the links and shop online if you guys are not comfortable with going out yet. But I'll try to have everything in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one.